Are you a beginner in the job market, struggling to create an impressive resume? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 5 resume writing tips for beginners, in just 60 seconds. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Keep it clean. Use a clean, professional format. Start with your name, contact info, and a concise objective or summary. Tip 2. Tailor your resume for each job. Highlight relevant skills and experience that match the job description. Tip 3. Quantify your achievements. Use numbers to show results, like boosted sales by 76% or led market growth of 7%. Tip 4. Use action verbs. Start your bullet points with powerful verbs like managed, developed, or presented. Tip 5. Proofread and edit. Eliminate errors and typos. Ask a friend or use online tools to ensure it's perfect. In just 60 seconds, you've learned 5 essential resume writing tips for beginners. Remember, your resume is your ticket to your dream job. Good luck out there. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tips, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more career advice. See you next time.